Okay, good morning, sir. Good morning, Ramesh Kapoor, sir. Welcome to my show. Welcome to the Karam show. I'm really excited and pleased to have you on my show as you are a author, an engineer, and from my college. So I am my happiness is is doubled. When someone from your college comes to your interview, this is that definitely the happiness goes up and up. So, sir, my first question is, what is you have written recently? You have written a book, right? You too. The name of the book is You Too. So, would you like to share the story about it? How it went? How did you find this story, or did you made this story? How the story behind this book went?
Okay, very warm good morning to you, Karam.
Good
Thanks
morning.
for hosting me on your channel, and yeah, it feels happy that was both of us are from the alumni of the same college. That's AIT Pune, right? Well said. Talking about the book, now you can see that you are also having a copy of the book,
Yes, I'm having
right?
the copy, and I have just yesterday received this copy.
Yeah.
And this is lovely book, and I have just seen the content and I was reading it. So
So,
this is an amazing story, in uh, the corporate world. So you just share more details about it.
uh, right, Karam. Thanks for having the copy of my book, and again, it's my so I have been writing books. This is my, I would say, third book, right? But my
Okay,
earlier books were technical in nature. They were meant for IT people, right?
okay,
People in the IT industry, right?
okay.
uh, this time I wrote a story, right? So if I
Okay,
look
first
at
time you have written this story.
if I look back, then I think I wrote my first book as early as in 2009,
2009. Okay,
right? So that was published by Tata McGrail,
okay,
right? Second book, mine was, it was self-published. It was self-published, right? After that, I think uh, in 2000, from 2009 to what has changed to 2019, right? So earlier I was writing technical books. Then, as the time passes, I thought I lost interest in writing technical books, because
okay,
so it was a journey from being a consultant to a manager, and to manager. And in that case, after so I thought to write a story, right?
okay,
Now
okay.
I think I have lived the life enough that I can tell a lot of stories to the people,
Okay.
right? And there are no dearth of stories around. If you look around, there are many stories,
Yes,
right?
yes, many
Right.
stories.
But you need to find the purpose. Why do you want to tell a story? Is it for the entertainment? Is it for some messaging? Or what's the purpose around it? Right.
Okay.
So I think in December 2018, I got the idea that I should write. 2018 was the year when Me Too movement in India peaked.
Yes, Me Too
Uh,
movement. Yes,
it,
yeah,
it
I
peaked in India in 2000. It started around the world in somewhere in 2016, but I think in 2018 it peaked in India, right?
yes,
And then many various stories stumbled out of many stories stumbled out. Many women came forward and put up their stories
yes, yes,
in the
yes,
public view, right? So I think
yes,
uh, uh, thanks to my friends around, I got to hear many such stories, right? So I thought, and I thought that there could be a right messaging when you talk on such topics. These are very sensitive topics, sometimes very controversial also, right? Because in such topics, having an agreement is rare. There are a lot of disagreements whenever you talk about
yes,
such
yes,
topics,
yes,
right?
yes,
And
yes,
it fairs the emotions also,
definitely.
right? So again, I chose this sensitive topic because I heard a lot about it. I read a lot about it, about the use and misuse of this particular movement. If there's a positive side to this movement, there's a negative side to this movement as well,
Right, right,
right?
right.
So as a result of negative movement here, people, the Men Too was also started, right?
Yes,
Where
yes, yes.
men were falsely alleged that they have done something wrong, right? So there are two aspects to any story here, right? and it's very difficult to find out who's right and who's
Who
lying.
is wrong? Yes, yes,
It's very
yes.
very difficult, right? It's not easy, right? So basically what I have tried to tell the people through the story is that how the situation arises, what happens behind the scenes actually. It's not overnight that somebody would go and make an allegation,
Right, right,
right?
right.
Something has happened, right? And what
Something.
is that? So I have written a story which is open to interpretation. The reader has all the liberty to decide what is wrong, who's lying, right? So that was the purpose of writing a story. So I chose this book,
Okay, okay, okay,
right? So it took
okay.
me 2 years from I conceived in December 2018
And
and getting onto the shelf in December 2020. So it
yeah,
was not an
two.
easy task.
Yes,
With the office work, with a family of 4 kids of age of 2 years, 6 years, not easy.
not easy. Definitely, definitely, sir. That's a really amazing work that you did. It took 2 years to write this book, and there are so many things that goes behind it.
So
So
it's not that it took me 2 years to write a book. I think it took me 6 months to write a book only. But
okay.
it doesn't happen that after 6 months that you can put it on shelf.
Yes, yes,
Lot
yes.
of the things goes into, like, a lot of time has gone into editing also. And I was not sure that what I'm writing whether people would like or not. So I need to look for the people who can read my work and advise me whether it is really likable or not. There's no point in publishing a story the people would not like. Obviously, you cannot
Yes, yes.
predict. Obviously, you cannot predict anything, and no book becomes uh, likable or
Best. Yeah.
successful in a short span. It takes time.
It
But
takes
again,
time.
to
Yes.
have the confidence that whatever I have written can actually will be a good product. Will I be uh, able to tell it to the people that I've written a book? Please read it. Will people read it or not? So a lot of time I've spent onto that area. So I was fortunate enough to find few people who read my work, who advised me. A lot of correction has gone into it, and then it has to go for editing. Now I had to find an editor also. That also took me around
Yes.
uh, 3 to 4 months of finding a person and getting the work edited. In the entire course of 2 years, I had to read my book at least 15 times.
Okay. Okay. That's really awesome, sir.
Right? So this was very very challenging actually.
Okay. So my second question is like, how did you learn to write the story? What did you do to write the story? Because
See,
earlier you
I'm
were.
not a person that who will write every now and then,
Mhm,
right?
right.
And I think there were a lot of thoughts in the mind for many months, right? Many years, and when the thoughts become overwhelming, that you are not able to hold them in your mind, right?
Okay.
You tend to speak or you tend to write.
Yeah, you tend to
So
speak.
I
Yes.
wrote.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Okay.
So I'm not a public speaker. I'm not a speaker which will go on a platform and speak my mind, right?
Okay.
So
Okay.
what I do? So I think I write.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, okay. That's really fantastic. That thoughts came to your mind and they were kind of bothering, and then you were writing each and everything, and then you thought of publish it. Thought of publishing. That's amazing work, sir. That's amazing work. So that you have written the first storytelling book. So what advice would you give to my audience, who wants to write the book, who wants to start it, or what should they be
See,
should
I
not
think
do, or they must do something, they should must avoid something.
see. First of all, there should be a purpose to write. You
Yeah,
just
okay.
can't go and write anything, right? If
Right.
you have to have a very, yeah. If you have a purpose in mind, you should go for it, because after writing, people has to read it, right?
Yes, yes,
Right. So if there's no purpose, then why somebody would read the book,
yes,
right? There has to
definitely.
be.
Purpose is
So
one.
purpose, right? For example, people write book as per their hobbies also, right?
Right.
Whatever the passion they pursue, the hobby they pursue, they write book on that, right? uh, it also depends, people write on what they think, right? Again, a book is nothing but a lot of thoughts or into it, right? A
Yes.
lot of practical examples, right? So the purpose should come from within, that okay, I want to tell the world about this thing. that is
Right.
that is
Right.
that is
Right.
the first stepping stone, that you want to tell the world about something, right?
Yes.
Something which is more most appealing to yourself, right? So that is one. And after that, you have to do some research also, right?
Research.
What
Okay.
has been written about it, what more you can write about it, right? uh, so as I searched for my book, I found a lot of book on Me Too, but I did not find any book on YouTube, right?
Okay. Okay.
So
Okay. That's
while Me Too is like somebody explaining their own situation and stories, and Me Too gives it's a female perspective. Rather, if I look at the context, a women perspective. Me Too is a women perspective, right? While Men Too is a men perspective,
okay.
right? So those are perspectives. While You Too is perspective of both the sides, right?
Okay.
I'm trying to capture perspective from both the
Both
sides. What
sides.
from both the sides. So You Too is that uh, to the reader, whether have you been in this situation, or what if you have seen this situation, right?
Okay.
What you can do, right? What you can uh, do in the situation.
Okay. Okay.
So so again, I said purpose. Then you need to research what do you want to do, and the discipline, right? So you
Okay.
have to be disciplined, right? So I think uh, very few people are full-time writers or the authors. Most of the people are take author as a part-time work, as a hobby or passion, right? But you have got to be disciplined in that. If you're not disciplined, it will not get to the conclusion. Reaching to
Okay.
the conclusion is a very important thing, right? So many people ask me that how do you do it? Because I say, okay, thanks to my family, I ask them, okay, give me 1 to 2 hour daily,
Okay. 1 to 2 hour daily. Okay.
right? That's the time I ask from them. Obviously, I would not get it daily, but at least 3 to 4 times in a week, I do get it,
Okay.
right? And that discipline is very important. That you have to keep a target. You have to write at least a page every day, or at
At
least few
least yes.
pages in a week.
Yes. Yes.
That's the discipline. That's a target that has to be given.
Okay, okay, and definitely that's a great advice. And I also set target of writing 1 page per day for my upcoming book. So definitely I have done a little bit research about it. I'm going to do more research about it, and then I have set 1 page per day to write it. So I have planned to publish in next 6 months. Let us see how things goes. So my next question, my next question is, what habits and routines did you follow, in this process to write the book? So many times, like one of the things that you told about discipline, some of the other things that you want to share about, building the habits or routine to write the book.
Right, so routine to write a book is, again, say I've told you the process. Right? So it's simple. It's difficult also. Again, finding a
Yes,
purpose, finding a material. Just think
yes.
what different you can write upon it. Right? Why people would read your story, find the reasons, and try to put those reasons. Routine is that you have got to be disciplined. Try to write a page every day. You have to be consistent on that, right? And before that, I think reading books is also very important, right?
Yeah.
So, for
Okay.
example, recently, if I saw what I read Harry Potter's book. I wanted to understand how the Harry Potter story is being told,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
Then I referred to Chetan Bhagat book also. I read the Chetan Bhagat book also, how that story is getting told, right?
Okay.
So, because my story is on city life, it is not some fantasy world,
Right, right, right.
right? So if I have to write about the fantasy world, probably you can read a book about fantasy world. If you're writing on, if you want to write on some thriller or some suspenseful stories, and you, I think those stories should be read before, right? So
Okay.
what exists today should be known, and I think writing should be the extension of what exists today. It should be beyond what exists today.
Okay, yeah, yeah, definitely, sir. My next question is on the same. So, what books would you recommend to read to write the story, or what books have you
It's
read?
very difficult to recommend a book because it is again depends on the purpose and the situation and the topic you want to write a book on. So
Okay,
accordingly, the books have to be chosen. That okay, I want to write a book on this, so I think let us read a similar book. So that is very important actually.
okay, okay, okay. Any last advice you would like to share, or the journey that you have, starting the writing the book and the finishing it and
I
the
think you
publishing
should.
it?
I think you should find a set of people with whom you can discuss it, because
Okay,
brainstorming is very much important. You cannot write a book in isolation. It's a team effort. If you go through the book, okay, let us look. If I show you the structure of the book, if you look at the acknowledgement section, which is I have kept at the end of the book, the acknowledgement,
yes,
right?
yes.
You read the acknowledgement, you see the team behind the work, right? You see the
Okay,
team behind the work.
right, right,
Right?
right.
There's a team, right? Okay, that's another thing, that my name is flashing on the book, but there was a team who made it successful.
Okay, okay. Okay, that's really wonderful, sir. That's really wonderful, and this one of the thing that I would also like to recommend that writing a book is challenging task. Okay, and so many people don't write it, but with the process, with the discipline, we can achieve that. Right, sir.
Right.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir. It was a lovely discussion with
Thank you,
you,
Karam.
and
Thank
you
you. Thanks for
shared your
hosting this short discussion.
yes, you shared your
So once
knowledge.
again, I think I would like to thank you for having a copy of the book.
Yeah,
All right,
thank you, sir.
and would like to okay. Let's see.
Yes, yes, definitely, definitely. I also hold and I also recommend to everyone to read this book. This is about the corporate life, and you will definitely find when
No,
people.
okay, Karim, I think we missed one thing, that it is set up in a corporate world, right? Right, but in our life, everything is not corporate.
Yes, yes,
Right, everything is not within those four walls of the office, the workspace,
yes,
right? So I think in this book I have taken a view on life also. All of us have a life beyond office,
yes, yes,
right?
definitely true.
So it is not it this book talks about the people, though it is a corporate setup, but it is a people book. it is it
Yes,
is it
yes,
is
yes.
talking about the people, how do we behave, right, within office, outside the office, and what makes us to behave like that, right? So this is a book about the people, I would say, though it is set under the corporate setup, but it is not a book it not to be just categorized as a corporate book. It is a book for the people. It is a book about life. So I've added a lot of perspective of living a life also.
Okay, that's really
Right.
awesome, and
So
this.
I spent a lot of okay. So people have given me feedback. This book could have been shorter, right?
Okay,
Right. But I told them that I think I've given more pages. I've given equal pages to the life of the people involved, right? So
okay,
you need to I have given a lot of pages to the description of the characters. What is the character that they are playing the role? You need to understand the person before you can make a judgment about the person, before you can say probably you want to understand why the person is doing that way,
right.
right?
Absolutely,
So there's
absolutely.
a lot of history around, right? So there's a upbringing, there's a society we live in, there's a social fabric we live with. So many aspects of life have been touched upon.
Okay, okay. Yeah, definitely, so many aspects goes behind the, each and every character, and how they live, how they think, how they behave, all of the things goes behind that story. And that's why so many people are not able to write the story, right? That's the reason. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Garam. Thank you for hosting this discussion.